Modular construction is seriously changing the game for contractors by cutting build time and saving a ton of cash. So here's the deal. Modular construction means building parts of a project off-site in a controlled factory setting, then shipping them out and assembling them on-site. This reduces build time big time because you're not waiting on weather or on-site delays. Plus, since everything's built indoors, you get way less waste, which is awesome for both the environment and your budget. The quality control is tighter too because factories have consistent standards. No surprises like you might get outside. You can save money overall since quicker builds mean less labor cost and fewer unexpected expenses popping up. Another cool thing is the flexibility in design. You can customize modules to fit different styles or needs without starting from scratch every time. It's also easier to scale projects up or down by adding or subtracting modules. Plus, since a lot of work happens off-site, it can reduce the disruption for neighbors and keep the site cleaner. One of the biggest mistakes contractors make with modular construction is not planning logistics carefully enough. Shipping and assembly need tight scheduling, so always double-check transport routes and timing. Another common issue is underestimating the upfront design work. Modular builds require super detailed plans up front, so make sure you lock down all design elements early to avoid costly changes later. Lastly, some contractors forget to communicate clearly with all teams involved. Off-site and on-site crews have to be totally synced to prevent delays or errors, so regular updates and check-ins are key. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making it way easier to find the right help for any project. At the same time, it gives contractors a solid platform to showcase their skills and get steady work without digging through tons of leads.